Hello everyone, my name is Andrew Estes and welcome to my course on managing AWS operations. I am currently a cloud architect for CSG International. There are 5 pillars to the well-architected framework provided by AWS, and this course will help you meet all of them. In this course, we're actually going to work through optimizing our AWS operations to be as efficient and hands-off as possible. Some of the major topics we cover are going to include AWS Systems Manager. We're going to look at CloudWatch logging and alerting. We're going to learn how we can leverage AWS to meet compliance requirements. And then we're going to work on optimizing our storage. By the end of this course, you're going to know how to truly optimize your own AWS accounts. It's a lot easier than you think. Now, before beginning, you should be familiar with some of the core AWS technologies, such as IAM, CloudWatch, and S3, for example. From here, you're really going to start feeling comfortable to diving into automation-related deep dives with courses on utilizing automation in AWS, maybe looking at more advanced monitoring and logging specific to your needs, or even S3-related deep dives. So I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn the best way to optimize your AWS workloads with the Managing AWS Operations course at Pluralsight.